Balle, 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 balle. You must be wondering, what am I doing? I'm just happy to see the Kings 11 Punjab perform the way they are doing right now. This is one team who has come back really strong, and they have won last 3 games which they have played against the top rated teams in IPL. Namaskar, Kia ora and hello everyone. Welcome back to Jatin's Bouncer, your one-stop channel for the love of cricket. Kings 11 Punjab has been doing fantastically. In the last 3 outings which they have convincingly defeated first RCB, followed by a twin super over against Mumbai Indians, and then yesterday they defeated Delhi Capitals, the team who was sitting at number 1 in IPL points table. Kings 11 Punjab has really done a fantastic comeback in this IPL. They started the IPL journey with a super over. The first game which they played against Delhi Capitals. Unfortunately, they had to lose that game, where Rabada took 2 wickets and 3 deliveries to set a target of just 3 runs for Delhi Capitals. But the way Kings 11 Punjab has fought back is simply brilliant. The captain and the coach has really come strong with the team and showed what a fight should be in an IPL game. It's not left to just one player performing in a game. It's a team performance. If the top order fails, someone from the middle order comes in. If middle order doesn't get the runs, the lower middle order will kick in. If it's required, the bowlers would step up. It's sheer a team performance. I'm just praising this because I'm seeing that team performance or the fighting spirit. Kings 11 Punjab doesn't want to lose the game. They doesn't want to go out of IPL without playing a playoff. But now, it's a different story. They first defeated RCB when it was kind of a must win, and they outclassed RCB straight away. They won the game by 8 wickets. What a brilliant batting by Mayank Agarwal and KL Rahul. KL Rahul is in a brilliant form of his life right now. He is the orange cap holder for IPL. To his support, he has got a good opening partner in Mayank Agarwal. Remember, they haven't got Chris Gayle coming in yet. He just started playing for Kings 11 Punjab from last game. So, they do have a big boss sitting behind them. So, if I have to talk about Kings 11 Punjab's performance in their last game against Delhi Capital, then I would rate it simply a sheer good bowling performance. Yes, Delhi Capital started strongly with Shikhar Dhawan in a great form. He was just coming in after scoring a century in his previous game. So in this game, once more Prithvi Shaw got out quickly. But after that, Shreyas Iyer joined Shikhar Dhawan to give him a good support. Eventually, Shikhar Dhawan completed his consecutive century. He became the first batsman in IPL history to have back-to-back centuries. That's amazing. What a cricketing class you have put it on the pitch. It's simply amazing to be a spectator watching good bowling against batting performance. So if I have to sum up the Delhi Capitals batting performance, the whole team scored 164 and Shikhar Dhawan got 106 out of that. He faced 61 deliveries and rest of the team faced 59 deliveries. So you can do the maths. After giving a target of just 164, Kings 11 Punjab didn't had a good start. But I have to mention the fighting spirit with this team. The players stepped up. The openers didn't do well, the middle order did it. Pooran, a West Indian batsman who has been fantastic one more time. A small guy who is not as big as Chris Gayle, but this guy can clear the boundaries. And I'm saying not only boundaries, he can clear the stadiums as well. He hit a brilliant 50 to have the fight back from Kings 11 Punjab. It was the crucial time of the game when they lost crucial wickets as well. Glenn Maxwell once again had a failure. But then it came Huda along with Jimmy Neesham, the New Zealand all-rounder, made sure Kings 11 Punjab doesn't land into another super over. Kings 11 Punjab is the only team in the current IPL who has played till now 3 super overs. Yes, they started with the super over. They had 2 in one game. So super overs are a thing for Kings 11 Punjab, right? They have been winning and losing in super over. But Jimmy Neesham cleared the boundary before getting into the 20th over and made sure Kings 11 Punjab doesn't go into another super over. So right now, if you want to have a look at the points table, it is becoming very interesting. You must be remembering I mentioned net run rate is going to come into picture pretty soon, and that moment has come now. Now every team, every match is going to get excited. Whichever team wins, they want to win it big to get a good run rate. Right now we have got a couple of teams which are sitting in top 4 but have a negative run rate. Kings 11 Punjab, who are sitting at number 5 right now after playing their 10 games. They do have a negative run rate at that moment, but RCB and KKR, both the teams are having negative run rate as well. So if Kings 11 Punjab continues this winning form going forward, it is gonna be tough for the 4th team who gets into. IPL is a platform where you get a lot of cricket, a lot of entertainment, and when it comes from the pitch, it's even better. So IPL has reached to its business end. Every team can make it to a playoff and the top teams can make out of the playoff. So it's becoming very interesting. I am very excited to be watching these games going forward. I'm pretty sure you would be too. So keep watching IPL and keep enjoying the cricket. While you're there, consider subscribing to the channel by hitting the red button down there, and also hit the bell icon so you would get a notification of my next video. Seeing the excitement, I'm pretty sure it's coming soon. And if you like the video, do like and share with your friends and family. And what do you think? Is Kings 11 Punjab gonna be the 4th team to make it to the IPL playoffs? If so, do let me know by commenting in the comment section below. Till the next time, Kiya kaha, stay safe, stay healthy, see you soon.